落井下石，落井下石。
It is a Chinese idiom. The literal translation is when someone goes into the well, throw stones on him. The equivalent idiom in English is kick someone when they are down. For example,
朋友有難，佢唔單止唔伸出援手，反而落井下石，真係可恥。朋友有難，佢唔單止唔伸出援手，反而落井下石，真係可恥。
In English, it means his friend was in a difficult situation. He didn't give him a hand, but kicked him when he was down. Shame on him. Another example.
如果你唔能夠幫忙就算啦，但千祈唔好再有落井下石。如果你唔能夠幫忙就算啦，但千祈唔好再有落井下石。
In English, it means it is all right if you don't give me a hand, but please don't kick me again when I am down. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.